Okay everyone, this is going to be a quick and easy video on how to add cutaways. Now cutaways are videos that go over the top of something underneath. So let's say a documentary interview and then you see visuals like a photo or old historic photos, videos, anything art over the top of the footage while the interview is still going on underneath. That is what a cutaway is, and we're going to show you how to quickly do that in Instagram edits and also pretty much all those editing apps, and then the easier way to do it in a better program like Premiere Pro. So you just go press plus button here. We're going to go to gallery. I just recorded a pretty stupid video of me talking, and so we're going to do that one and the other extra videos that I have, which are my cutaways. And you can see here, I'm just going to try to turn that screen brightness down so you guys can see it on that side. If I'm scrolling through here, if I'm playing, I'm going to show you how to look at my hand. So I'm just basically just did a quick recording of me talking about looking at my hand. Now I want a shot, even though basically this is my hand right here, even though I'm talking on the camera, you can see right now the hand's not actually there. So literally I'm talking and I want to be able to have the videos of my hand. So if I go down, I'm just going to pinch this out a little bit so you can see a little bit more. But you can see I've got a video of my hand here. But how do I add that at the end? What I'm like over the top of it is basically I'm going to select that clip like we always do, and we're going to slide all the way over and we go overlay. And what it does is it actually adds a layer above. So you can see that it's moved it above onto another layer. If I select and hold that, I can actually drag it all the way down to where I start talking. So once I start talking about my hand right here, I can actually drag this down and you'll see that it's now starting at that timeline there. And literally all I have to go is press play. Basically, this is my hand right here. Even though I'm talking on the camera, you can see right. Yeah, so it's added a cutaway over the top. Now it works the same as all the editing things. If I want to do a cut, split, I can literally move that down a little bit further and you'll see it goes back to my face, even though my face hasn't actually been edited. On the camera, you can see right now, the hand's not actually there, but the video of my hand is actually there. So you can see that working, and here's, so I can even extend that out a little bit more, cut this again and go down. I want to go give it a thumbs up because I talked about a thumbs up. So you can literally just split that and drag this, and you can even do the editing like you do, but it doesn't change any of the effects. Here's a different variation, me doing thumbs up, knuckles, even a rude finger. But you could hear that audio as well. That's the one thing that you have to keep in mind is now that you have 2 bits of audio waves. Now you can go through, like we've told you before, go down and just turn that down. But one of my favorite things, if you don't want any audio on the top layer, on the cutaways, the best thing to do is come all the way across over here. See the speaker button? That can actually turn that audio off. So you won't hear any audio from that top layer at all, like all the cutaways, but you'll still hear the audio from the bottom one. You even have a eye icon now there as well, so you can actually turn it off and mute them. So if you need to do more editing down here, but it doesn't sync to that side. Now, if I want to put more like this, every clip that I need to add, the reason I don't like edits for this is that I need to go through every single clip. It will always add it on the first layer there. And you always need to scroll over any second video, third video, whatever you need to do, is you need to find that overlay. I think I've passed it. Overlay, and add that one too. So you need to keep adding, and you can see you can make multiple layers as well. So you can even have that one on top of this one. But if you unmute the visuals of this, you should be able to just drag that down. I don't think you can actually move that one down to there. But if I undo those two, I don't think you can actually just drag this up. See, if you can't drag it up, so once it is an overlay, you can actually drag it down between layers on top of, like, to a second or third one, but you can't drag it from the core one. You always have to select it and then go to overlay to be able to make sure it's an overlay or a cutaway video to make sure that sits and works there. So that's how that works. You really need that every single time. But in my opinion, sometimes it's actually easier to use Premiere Pro, the editing app, because if we add this one here, give it a sec, it's just letting it load. This one actually allows you to, let me just restart that program for us. If I wanted to drag these multiple up, If I get to the end, the one thing I love about this program, you can actually see the audio waves, so I can always edit way easier here. I've taught you that, guys, before. But this one, if I just select and hold, you can actually see it says drop clip here to create an overlay. So you can actually drag and drop multiple things. So if I'm cutting this now, let's just say this one down here, let's just trim it all the way down. It's just a sample. And then I want this one, this clip here, to be an overlay as well. All I have to do is drag and drop up the top and it moves it down that way. And I have a little bit more flexibility. So Premiere Pro is a lot easier to do the editing on the cutaways and have different layers set up in the system for you. So let me know if you have any more questions about that, but this is the easiest way to do cutaways and visuals over top of your videos. Thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.